Today, we have some exciting news for all you tech enthusiasts out there. Huawei is gearing up to launch its highly anticipated Mate 70 series, and it seems like they are ready to go head-to-head with the upcoming iPhone 16. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Now let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the incredible success of Huawei's Mate 60. According to insiders, Huawei has managed to sell a hopping 30 million units of the Mate 60 since its surprise launch in August 2023. This is a clear indicator that Huawei is gaining significant traction, especially in its home market, China. One key factor contributing to Huawei's success in China is the absence of Huawei services. Since these services are banned in China, Huawei's HarmonyOS phones, including the Mate 60, are not at a disadvantage. Now let's move on to the exciting details about the upcoming Mate 70. Insiders have revealed that Huawei is set to launch the Mate 70 devices in September, strategically planning the announcement to coincide with the unveiling of the iPhone 16. This sets the stage for a direct competition between the two flagship devices, at least in the Chinese market. Now, what can we expect from the Mate 70? Reports suggest that it will feature a 1-inch type camera sensor, promising an enhanced photography experience. Additionally, Huawei aims to deliver a more immersive display with a better front panel, featuring more uniform and slimmer bezels. This could be a game-changer for those who prioritize a sleek and modern design. As the Mate 70 and iPhone 16 gear up for a showdown, it will be fascinating to see how these two technological giants compete in terms of innovation, performance, and overall user experience. That's all for today's update on the Huawei Mate 70 and its upcoming clash with the iPhone 16. Will Huawei continue to dominate its home market, or will Apple's iPhone 16 steal the spotlight? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Until next time, peace out.